welcome to the skill building workshop on Arduino. I am Mr. Rahul Shimpi, RJ's World of Electronics Nasik. In this session, we will learn about IR sensor and its application. IR sensor has three pins: VCC, ground, and output. Its output either high or low, so it is a digital sensor. This sensor is also called as obstacle detection sensor. An infrared sensor is an electronics device that measures and detects infrared radiation in its surrounding environment. Active IR sensor have two parts, a light emitting diode and a receiver. When an object comes close to the sensor, the infrared light from the LED reflects off of the object and is detected by the receiver. IR sensor commonly used in robotics to detect the obstacles. This shows the circuit connection for the infrared sensor with Arduino. Pin 1 of the sensor is connected to digital pin of Arduino. Pin 2 of the sensor is connected to the ground pin of the Arduino. Pin 3 of the sensor is connected to the 5-volt pin of the Arduino. I have connected the IR sensor with Arduino as per the circuit diagram. Now we will write the program in Arduino IDE. This is the same program as we have seen for push button as well as for the PIR sensor with some modification. This sensor is the active low sensor. It means when the object is absent, it produces the high output, and when object is present, it produces the low output. Let us compile and upload the sketch and see the output on the serial monitor and observe the status of the inbuilt LED. When object is present, the LED is on, and when object is absent, LED is off. So, as the object is absent in front of the IR sensor, the string is displaying on the serial monitor is object absent. And the internal LED, which is at pin number 13, is in a off state. Now the object is present in front of the IR sensor, so it will send a low value to the Arduino, and as per the logic, if the signal is low, then it will turn on the internal LED and show the string on the serial monitor the object is present. So you can observe on serial monitor now the string is object present. In this way, we can use this IR sensor for the object detection in various applications. This brings us to the end of this session. Thank you.